Good morning. Good morning. It's great to see your face. Good morning. Good morning to you and you and you and you. All right, this morning we're going to read through our morning meeting slides. We are going to record your answer to the share time question on Seesaw. And we are going to do page 9, I believe. 9 is the Polar Express train. Oh, can't see it. There we go. Polar Express train in your reading copybook. I have it like this because I need to be able to draw on it today. So I'm going to leave it like this. Dear class, good morning. Today is Thursday. We will have art today. We will have small groups today. Please be sure to join right at your scheduled time. Also, we will do Go Math today instead of skill work. So that we can get all of our Go Math done this week. Because after break, we're going to send you a new Go Math workbook, which is super cool. Make it a great day or not. The choice is yours. Love, Mrs. Burnett. Also, next week, if you have not heard it yet, we are doing Christmas around the world. We are going 5 different places for Christmas. Not really going, but we're going to learn about 5 different places and how they do Christmas. Next week also, we will not have normal groups. We will have one large group session with Mrs. Likens' class, and it will be all of you. And then I will have office hours. So if you have questions or I have an assessment that I still need done from you, I'll have office hours next week later on in the day so you can chat with me, you can get help on things that you need help with, you can ask questions, and I can do assessments. Okay, we will not do Go Math next week. We will only be practicing money next week. So a lot of different things happening next week, but it's going to be a super fun week. All right, we are going to count these coins today, and I'm going to draw because it helps me. Let me make it a little bit thicker so you guys can see it. Because it helps me count. So I'm going to draw how much this is worth, and then I'm going to count on and draw what the next one is worth. So what is a dime worth? 10 cents. So we're going to put 1, 0, okay, 10. And there's another dime, so we count by tens. 10, 20. So I'm going to put 20 up here because now I know that I have 20 cents altogether. 30. And boys and girls, it's hard to write like this. 30, 40, so we're counting by tens. And then I'm going to go to the 5 next, the nickel, because that makes sense to me to count them in order of how much they are. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, and then add one more because a penny is worth 1 cent. 46. Okay, so this is 46 cents. And how we write cents is like this, a C with a line in it. Okay, so that says 46 cents. And we counted it by counting tens first, then fives, then ones. Let's try this one. So we're going to count all of our fives first. This is 5. And it says on here, look, 5 cents. It says it right there. Okay. 5. And we're going to go to the next 5. 10. 15. 20. Now we have 20 right now. We're going to add one more. So that's 21. And 22. 22 cents. Okay, nice. All right, next one. Okay, now, remember how I said I start with the biggest one? Yeah, so this is not the biggest one, right? It's not the biggest in how much it's worth. This one is. The dime is worth what? 10. So we're going to start there, 10. And we're going to go to the next dime, 20. And then we're going to go to the fives. Now we're going to count by fives. 10, 20. 20 plus 5 is 25. There's another 5. 10, 20, 25, 30. 25 plus 5 is 30. And then we have one more, 31. Now, boys and girls, if it helps you, 31 cents. If it helps you to count with real coins at your house during the assessment next week, you can get out real coins and count like that. Anytime we do coins, if you want to get out coins and do it that way, that is completely fine with me. It's good to count them with real coins, okay? So on your math assessment, if your parents would like to put out your coins and how much it is on the screen and you use the coins to count it, I am okay with that, okay? Because we're going to be counting with real coins in real life, right? Okay? All right, let's count these one more time. 10, 20, 30, 40, 40 plus 5, 45, 46, 5, 10, 15, 20, count one more, 21, 22. Starting with the biggest one, 10, 20, 20 plus 5, 25, 30, 31. Okay, awesome job. All right, I'm going to go ahead and stop inking. And here are our groups. Please be sure you're joining at your scheduled time. First group, you are at 8:40. Okay, not 8:45, 8:40. Please be sure you're joining at 8:40. Let's do our pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And our moment of silence. Okay. Here we go. Good, better, best, never rest until your good is better and your better is best. And our pledge. Today is a new day. I am ready to be the best me I can be. I will listen so I can learn. I will try hard so my brain can grow. I will not give up. I can learn anything I put my mind to. I will show respect. Respect for people, respect for our school, respect for myself. It is my day to make great, so let's make it a great day. And our share time question. It's a joke, boys and girls. Okay, so this is a joke. That means if you don't know the answer, it's okay because it's a joke. All right? So I'm going to ask you this question, and it's a joke, so it's funny. The answer's funny, okay? And if you don't know it, that's okay. You just say, I don't know. Or you can take a guess if you want. And then later on in the day, I'll tell you what the answer is, okay? I'll message you on It's Learning and say, this is what the answer is to our share time question, and it's funny, okay? All right, so you're going to answer, what does an elf learn at school? Okay, what does an elf learn at school? Happy Thursday.